This is the Lews Classic Reel, and this is why it's so good. Number 1, casting. This reel is really good at casting. It has a really smooth grip, and it casts really far with the right settings. We are using really low settings and a pretty high break. Second is the retrieve. The retrieve is really smooth on this and makes a really nice sound. It catches really big fish and also reels them in really easily. Finally, the rod. The rod is made out of carbon fiber, which is really strong and almost never breaks.